Hey guys, this is Pat Wilkins with MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach. I've got another awesome brokerage listing to show you today. This one is a 2017 Boston Whaler 21 Montauk. Really in excellent condition. Upgraded very nicely, well kept, up to date on services. Do a quick exterior walk around and then I'll hop in and show you some of the features. This one's powered by a 200 horsepower L6 Mercury supercharged 4-stroke outboard. Moves it along the water very nicely. Just about 440 hours on the motor. Like I said, up to date with services. This boat is bottom painted with a fresh coat of ablative that was just applied. Since it does come with the trailer, the ablative is the must-have. Really nice dash configuration here. Your VHF, your speakers, electronic throttle, stainless steering wheel, all of your gauges. Said 439 hours. Switches on the dash. Really nice field of view. You kind of see the gel coat really shining. Do a quick walk up to the bow. There's a bow cushion. It is kept inside, maintain its integrity. As you can see, it would snap on all of that. Open this up. Insulated fish box. Really nice size, especially for a 21-foot boat. You've got your anchor locker here. Up to your bow cleat. Your nav lights. There's your chafe guard that goes around the nav light. Stainless steel split rails, the bow and stern. This one has the bimini top, give you some shade. Upholstery's in great shape. Got rod holders here. Moving to the back of the boat. See that this double wide helm bench seat has 4 adjusting positions. So this one's reclined all the way in the forward position. This is the other extreme if you want to face aft. We've got a live well in the center here. More gas assisted shocks. And then 2 battery compartments. Your battery selector switch. Batteries are new as of 6/22. Really clean compartments. That's what we like to see. Swim platform, collapsing 4-step stainless ladder. The splash well, you've got the fuel fill, access to your bilge, and all the rigging, as well as lots of rod holders and cup holders. Inside the console, you also have lots of storage. Lots of space in here. We've got canvas covers for the console and the leaning post. Another big storage section here. Full size. And then this compartment is your tackle center. Fishing gear. Got the anchor light that goes to the top of the console. Like I said, guys, this boat is in really good condition. you have any interest in this boat, please give me a call on my cell, which is 239-249-4345. Again, this is Pat Wilkins, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, showing you this 2017 210 Montauk by Boston Whaler. Thanks for watching, guys. Call us today.